Hi, welcome back to Bismarck's Education Channels. Today we are going to learn about the contrast, how to change the contrast and resolutions in the picture. I hope now you are learning step by step Adobe Photoshop, and very soon we are going to start Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW as well. Stay continued with all the videos and you will become a qualified person of graphic designing for international standard. So we are going to open one image and we are going to adjust the contrast and resolution. Okay, whatever image you have collect and so open one picture from your image stocks. So then go ahead and do the practice of this. So I'm going to file and open. Let me check the image. I'm going to open this image and let's see in this image that it's not that much bright image, so we are going to change some brightness and contrast in this image. Before you do the edit, duplicate this image first, and now you know how to duplicate the image. Drag and drop to new layer. Okay, now we have image and image copy both here. Okay, and then select the image, copy, and go to image, adjustment and brightness and contrast. Then let's see, we will increase the brightness in here until it's okay with. So now you can see about this daytime and that background is okay now. Now it's good for me. Whatever you want to adjust in your image, just do more practice with the images, so then you will come to know how much you want to adjust the contrast and brightness in the image for your printing or presentation, whatever, or uploading to your web or wherever. And go ahead and do the practice about the brightness and contrast, and you will become more expert in the Photoshop. Short tutorial and learn about this, how to do that. Okay, thank you very much. Go ahead and do the practice, and you don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also to get the new videos whenever I'm uploading. Then you can watch it and you can do your practice also. Also give the like and share. Okay, thank you very much.